the fastest way to read in just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Group the alphabets. Let's put together the 5 letters. Letters A, M, N, S, and T to see quick results. We'll use these letters to teach you read your first words. By grouping this way, this helps us see progress right away. Step 2. Learn the sounds of each letter. Remember that letter names are different from letter sounds. The way we sound the letters is different from their names. Example: letter A has different sounds. But for this lesson, let's study the A sound, like the beginning sound in alligator. Step 3. Master the letter sounds. To master the sounds, the only way is to practice. If you practice and learn the sounds of letters A, M, N, S, and T, in a very short time, you will be soon reading. Step 4. Sound blending. Sound it out and blend every sound to form the word. Congratulations! Keep practicing and repeating the process. Soon, you'll be able to read really fast.